One of the best video sharing platforms out there is none other than YouTube. You can easily gain views using YouTube because there are over 5 billion videos being watched on YouTube every single day. This is enough reason for you to upload your video in this platform. Before you can begin to upload your very first video on YouTube, you need to sign in using your existing Google account. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your channel page. This page shows the number of uploads you make, playlists you created, videos you like, and also your subscriptions. First thing you need to do is click Edit Layout. This page is what users will be seeing when they click on your profile. Take your time editing it according to the nature of your channel. Once that's settled, click on the arrow on top of your screen to begin uploading your very first video. You can immediately set the privacy setting of your video if you want to. For this example, we're going to make it private. Now, select Files to upload from your computer. While you are waiting for it to be uploaded, fill in all the basic info of your video. Make sure you put it in the description of your video as well. Don't forget the tags. This will make it easier for users to search for your videos. Next is Playlist. If your video is part of a certain playlist that you want to create, you can do so right here. Your video will automatically be part of the playlist the moment it is uploaded. Now that your video is uploaded, you can choose the thumbnail from the options given. Once it's set, click Done and you can view your uploaded video. You get to view it just like any other YouTube videos. If you find that your video needs more editing, simply click the Edit Video button and you'll be directed to the video editing page. That wraps up this module on how to upload your video to YouTube. Next, I'll be showing you how to do the same thing to Vimeo.